This resource follows a 5-day pacing guide. On day 1, you will review the grammar skill and model it with students using slides 1 and 2. You will see these transparent rectangles throughout the resource that students can drag and reshape in order to highlight a word or sentence. On day 2, guide your students to complete slide 3. This will be modeled, and the students will likely be typing in what you enter in. And then on day 3, you can provide your students with increasing independence as they complete slide 4 and 5. Here you'll see that there are some draggable items that students can move to the correct location. There's always an application where students complete a quick write. They can choose between 3 prompts that each of those prompts fall into a different category or genre of writing. In this resource, they are also dragging these highlighting squares over their writing, but typically this will just be an area where students can apply what they've learned in grammar so far here. And then there's always a multiple choice slide for the last one. So here they will just choose A, B, or C. Then on day 5, students will complete the corresponding assessment. They will choose their answer for each of the 5 questions. They will all be multiple choice. And then as soon as I hit submit here, I can view my score,